Reuben from class 3A3. We all know it is fun being with friends and to make new friends. Let me tell you a story using my stick puppets about how Rekha made a new friend. Let's begin. It was the first day of class 3. Everyone were excited, but Rekha was sad. Her best friend Manu had left the school. I really miss Manu. We had so much fun together. I don't feel like talking to anyone. Their class teacher, Miss Anita Tawang, walked in. Good morning, children. We have a new student in class. Please introduce yourself. Hello, my name is Alice. I have come from Bangkok. This is my first day in this school. Welcome to India, Alice. How do you feel about studying in an Indian school? I am happy to be in India, but I don't have any friends. Don't worry, you will make friends here too. Rekha, why don't you introduce Alice to everyone? Oh yes, ma'am, I would love to. Rekha took Alice around the school during the lunch break. Hello Alice, tell me about your school in Bangkok. Hello Rekha, this school is so big. There were only 20 students in my class in Bangkok. After a few days, Rekha and Alice became good friends. How do you like the school now, Alice? Everything is still new to me, but I am happy to be here. I enjoy the music and dance classes. I have already made some friends. They love doing things together and sharing their lunch. I am glad you joined our school now, Alice. I miss my friend Manu less now. Let's have lunch. I have some idlis. Yummy! I've got some pasta and some fruit. Let's